Good morning, all of you. Hi, students. Myself, Neeraj sir. As a math teacher, I welcome you all in this tutorial. Dear student, today we are going to discuss half-yearly syllabus of Class 6 Maths, Chapter 5, Fractions. This is Part 2 video, and today's topic, Exercise 5.2 remaining part, Exercise 5.3 some questions. Yes, student. Exercise 5.2 question number 6. Check if the following are equivalent fraction or no. We have two fraction. First 2 by 3, second 200 by 300. We have to check whether both the fractions are equivalent or no. For doing this, we have to write this 2 by 3, 200 by 300 and a box here. Now we have to cross multiply it. 2 into 300 and 200 into 300. LHS side 2 into 300 and here RHS side 200 into 3. So 2 into 300 600 and 200 into 3 600. Both LHS and RHS values are equal. By cross multiplication clearly we get equal values 600 600, so both are equal, so we can say that 2 by 3 and 200 by 300 are equivalent fraction. If the values are equal, then you can say both the fractions are equivalent. See one more part, F part, 35 by 105 and 2 by 3. Same way we have to do by using cross multiplication. So 35 into 3 and 2 into 105. 35 into 3 becomes 105 and 105 into 2 becomes 210. Here you see both the values are different, so they are not equal. Clearly we didn't get equal values, so 35 by 105 and 2 by 3 are not equivalent fraction. In this way you have to solve remaining part. Yes student, question number 7. Reduce the following to lowest term. 125 upon 625. So we write here 125 upon 625. As we know, last digit is 5 in both numbers, so we divide these both numbers by 5. So 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. By 5 table 25 5 are 125, and here denominator place 5 1 are 5, 1 remainder, 1 2 12, 5 2 are 10, 2 remainder, 2 5 25, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 5 is there, so by 5 5 5 are 25, 5 2 are 10, 2 remainder, 2 5 25, 5 5 are 25. Again 5 1 are 5, 5 5 are 25. So 1 by 5 is the final answer. See one more part, C part, 18 by 54. So see here, we cut this both numerator denominator by the table 3. 3 6 are 18, 3 1 are 3, 2 remainder, 2 4 24, 3 8 are 24. Again 6 1 are 6, 6 3 are 18. So 1 by 3 is the lowest term. See one more part, 24 by 96. We write 24 by 96. Cut this by the table 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8, 1 remainder, 1 6 16, 2 8 are 16. Again by 2 table, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Again 2 by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 12 are 24. Now 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. So 1 by 4 is the final answer. In this way you have to solve the remaining part. Yes student, question first, exercise 5.3. Compare the following fraction used greater than, smaller than or equal to. So see here, C part 5 by 6, 25 by 30, 30 by 36. They are unlike fraction. So first we have to take the LCM of denominator 630 and 36. So it becomes 180. So LCM is 180. So we change this denominator 180 so that this fraction becomes like fraction. So 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6. By what number you multiply this 6 so that it becomes 180? Yes, 30. So by 30, both numerator and denominator, 530 is 150, 630 is 180. Again 25 by 30. By what number you have to multiply this 30 so that product is 180? Yes, 6. So 6 into 6, both numerator denominator, 25, 6 is 150, 36 is 180. Last 30 by 36. 30 by 36, 36 multiplied by 5 becomes 180. So we multiply 5 both numerator denominator, so 35 is 150, 36 5 is 180. So see here, all the answers are same, equal. So here all the fractions are equal. So we write 150 by 180 first equal to 150 by 180 equal to 150 by 180. So we can write 5 by 6 equal to 25 by 30 equal to 30 by 6 in place of this. Okay, so these all fractions are equal. Now see one more part, F part. This is in mixed fraction, 7 whole 2 by 3, 7 whole 3 by 4, 7 whole 4 by 5. So we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 3 is 21 plus 2, 23 by 3. 7 4 is 28 plus 3, 31 by 4. 7 5 is 35 plus 4, 39 by 5. Now look here, these all three fractions are unlike fractions. So to convert it, convert into like fraction, we have to take LCM of denominator. Denominator is 3 4 5. So here you see 3 4 5 LCM is 60. Now we have to change this 3 4 5 into 60 so that it becomes like fractions. Okay, so see here 23 by 3. By what number you multiply 3 so that answer product is 60? Yes, 20 20. So 23 to 20 is 460 and 320 is 60. Again 31 by 4. By what number you have to multiply 4 so that the product is 60? 15 15. Both numerator denominator. 31 15 is 465, 4 15 is 60. Last 39 by 5. By what number you have to multiply 5 so that the product is 60? 5 12. So both 12 numerator denominator, 39 12 is 468 and 5 12 is 60. So here you see 460 numerator 460. Here all denominators are equal 60 60 60. So we have to look at numerator. Numerator is 460, 465, 468. So we write here 468 by 60 greater than 465 by 60 greater than 460 by 60. So first 468 by 60, it is 39 by 5, and 39 by 5 represents 7 whole 4 by 5. So in place of 468 by 60 we write 7 whole 4 by 5. Next 465 by 60 is 31 by 4, and 31 by 4 represent 7 whole 3 by 5, 4. So we write 7 whole 3 by 4. And last 460 by 60 represent 23 by 3, and 23 by 3 is 7 whole 2 by 3. So 7 whole 2 by 3. So in this way you have to solve the remaining part. Yes student, exercise 5.3, second question. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. Ascending means smaller to greater, and descending means greater to smaller. Like ascending order 1 2 3 4 and descending order 4 3 2 1. So see here 6 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. So these all three fractions are unlike fractions. So first we have to change this, convert this into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator 7, 8, 9. So we find out LCM, that is 504. So student, we have to convert 789 into 504. So 6 by 7. By what number you multiply 7, so that answer is 504? Yes, 72. So we multiply both numerator denominator by 72. So 672 ja 432 and 772 ja 504. Next 7 by 8. 7 by 8 we multiply 8 by 63, so that it becomes 504. So in numerator also 63. 7 into 63 441, and 8 into 63 504. Next 8 by 9. Here you see what number we have to multiply 9, so that the product is 504. So that number is 56. So 56 we have to multiply both numerator denominator. So 8 into 56 it becomes 448, and 9 into 56 504. Now this unlike fraction become like fraction. Now ascending order is smallest to greatest. So see here, what is the smallest number? All denominators are same. So look here, numerator 432, 441, 448. So first we write 432 by 504, and next 441 by 504, and 448 by 504. So this is 432 504, it is 6 by 7. So we write in place of this 432 upon 504 6 by 7. 441 upon 504, this represent 7 by 8. So we write here 7 by 8, and next 448 504, it's represent 8 by 9. So we write 8 by 9. This is ascending order. Now descending order, greatest to smallest. Here greatest is 448. This first we write this fraction, then this, and in place of this we write this. Yes, for descending order, greatest to smallest. So greatest fraction is 448 by 504, then 441 by 504, and last 432 by 504, and we put the equivalent fraction like 448 504 represent 8 by 9. So we write here 8 by 9. This 441 504, it represents 7 by 8. So we write here 7 by 8. And last 432 504, it represents 6 by 7. So we write 6 by 7. In this way you will find ascending descending order. See one more part, E part. This is mixed fraction, 8 whole 5 by 6, 8 whole 6 by 7, 8 whole 7 by 8. First we change this into improper fraction. So it becomes 53 by 6, 62 by 7, 71 by 8. Now these all three fractions are unlike fractions. First we convert this fraction into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator. Denominator is 678. LCM is 168. So first number is 53 by 6. We write 53 by 6. We multiply 6 into 28, so that the product is 168. So numerator also 28. So answer is 1484 upon 68. Okay. Next 62 by 7. 62 by 7 we multiply this by 24. Both numerator denominator 62 into 24 becomes 1488. 7 into 24 become 168. Last 71 by 8. What number you have to multiply 8 so that it becomes 168? Yes, 21. So both numerator denominator we multiply 21. 71 into 21 1491. 8 into 21 168. Now these all three fractions become like fraction. Now ascending order is smallest to greatest. Here all denominators are same. So look at numerator numerator is 1484, 1488, 1491. So smallest is 1484. So we write 1484, 168, 1488, 168, and last 1491, 168. So look here, 1484, 168 represent 53 by 6, and 53 by 6 represent 8 whole 5 by 6. So in place of this we write 8 whole 5 by 6. In place of this 1488, 168, it represent 62 by 7, and 62 by 7 represent 8 whole 6 by 7. So we write here 8 whole 6 by 7. And next 1491 upon 168, it represents, and 1491 upon 168 represent this 71 by 8, and 71 by 8 is 8 whole 7 by 8. So we write this 8 whole 7 by 8, and descending order is greatest to smallest, and you reverse it. First number is 878, next 867, 8 whole 6 by 7, 6 by 7, and last 8 whole 5 by 6. Okay students? Yes student, exercise 5.3, question number 4. Arun bought 7 whole 1 by 2 kg potatoes. Varun bought 6 whole 1 by 3 kg potatoes. Who bought more? So potatoes bought by Arun 7 whole 1 by 2. This is mixed fraction, so we change it into improper fraction. So it becomes 7 2 14, 1 15 by 2 kg, and potatoes bought by Varun 6 whole 1 by 3, it becomes 6 3 18, 1 19 by 3. Okay, now look here, this is Arun and this is Varun. Arun bought how many kg? 15 by 2 kg, and Varun bought 19 by 3 kg. So this is unlike fraction, we change it into like fraction. So we have to take LCM of denominator 2 and 3. LCM is 6. So we change both 2 and 3 into 6. So 2 into 3, 6. So we multiply 3, 3 both numerator, denominator. Here you see 3. 3 2 is 6. So we multiply 2 2 both numerator and denominator. Okay. So 15 3 is 45. 2 3 is 6. 45 by 6, and here 19 2 is 38 by 6. So here you see denominator same, so look here numerator 45 38, which is greater? 45, so 45 is greater than this, and 45 by 6 represent Arun's, so clearly Arun bought more potatoes. Okay, yes student. Next question number 6. In a class test of math, Ravi got 6 marks out of 10. In another class test of math, Ravi got 13 marks out of 25. And in another final test, Ravi got 75 marks out of 100. In which exam of maths Ravi performed the best? So see here, Ravi marks out of 10 in first exam. Ravi got 6 marks out of 10, means 6 by 10. Marks out of 10 in second exam. In second exam, another exam, Ravi got 13 marks out of 25. So we write 13 out of 25, 13 by 25. And Ravi got 75 marks out of 100 in final exam. So we write here 75 by 100. We have three fractions, 6 by 10, 13 by 25, 75 by 100. And these all three fractions are unlike fractions. So convert these all three unlike fraction into like fraction. We have to take LCM of denominator. Denominator is 10, 25, 100. So LCM of 10, 25, 100 becomes 100. Here we find out LCM. So we have to change this denominator 10, 25, 100 into 100. So student, here LCM is 100, 6 by 10. We change this 10 into 100. So 10 into 10 100. So we multiply numerator side also. So it becomes 60 by 100. Next 13 by 25, we have to change this denominator 25 into 100. So multiply by 4. So numerator side also multiply by 4. It becomes 52 by 100. Okay. And next 75 by 100. It's already 100. So we will multiply 1. So 75 1 just 75 by 100. Now look here. This is 60 by 100. First exam he got 60 marks out of 100. Second exam 52 marks out of 100. Final exam 75 out of 100. So clearly Ravi performed best in final exam 75 by 100. Okay. So students, that's all for today. Have a nice day.